Hey, all you hardworking contractors out there. Don't you hate it when you have a project bright and early, you get to the job site and you realize you don't have everything you need? It's frustrating, it's embarrassing, but worry no more. We've got you covered with our new E2UGO stores. These convenient hotspots are going to be popping up nationwide to provide you 24-hour access to everything that you need to get the job done. All you'll need is a unique access code. Come on, let's check it out. When you come in, the lights will come on.
Good morning, Chris. Welcome to E2UGO. If you have any questions, please consult the Go guide on the checkout stand. Enjoy your visit.
Thanks. Our helpful kiosk will guide you every step of the way. Now I'm here today because I'm doing a one-day flake system for a garage. So let's find out all the product I'll need.
For a typical 400 square foot 2-car garage, you will need 1 2-gallon kit of 6150 RC, 2 boxes of flake, and 2 1.5-gallon kits of polyaspartic ultra.
Awesome, you heard the man. Let's go grab it. Bring my cart over here, and I'm going to start with grabbing the 6150 RC. Now, if you're new to the epoxy floor world, the 6150 RC is going to be your base coat that you'll use to prime the surface that you're working on. Now, like I said, I'm doing a garage. So as soon as I get that surface clean, I'm going to roll this directly onto the existing concrete. All right, now for the next phase of the project, the flake. I'm going to need 2 boxes of this, and this particular job calls for tuxedo. Now, you're going to want to take this flake, and you're going to want to scatter it over every square inch that you covered in that base coat. In fact, you're going to want to build up a nice layer of it. All right, the only thing that's left is going to be grabbing the 2 boxes of the polyaspartic ultra. Now, this stuff is going to be your top coat. It's going to give you that beautiful glossy finish, but more importantly, it's going to give it that protective seal that's going to last for years to come. All right, I got all my product I need for this job, but I know for sure that I'm missing some tools and accessories. So let's see what kind of sundries items I'll need.
I recommend 1 or more 5-gallon buckets for mixing product, a mixing paddle for your drill mixer, spiked shoes, an 18-inch Big Ben roller frame, along with 18-inch roller covers and a mini coater frame and mini coater covers. Finally, a metal smoother for the epoxy, which can also be used to scrape the flake.
Awesome. I already have that metal smoother, so let's go grab everything else. This back wall has every tool and accessory you'll need to get the job done. I'm going to start by grabbing the 18-inch Big Ben roller frame. Now, I already have the pole handles that screw into this, but if you don't, you can pick those up here too. I'm going to grab this roller cover to pair with it. Oh, and I can't forget the spiked shoes. These are so important. When you're doing a floor, you're going to be walking all over it for every phase, and you don't want to ruin your work or your shoes. And you know what? While I'm over here, I think I'm going to grab one of these. I've heard great things, and I'd like to try it out myself. Awesome. So I've got all my product, all my tools. All that's left to do is to scan everything into this easy system. So going forward, it's pretty much your standard self-checkout experience that you're already accustomed to. I personally like to scan each item one at a time and then get it out of my way. That way I know I'm paying for everything that I grabbed because, well, I'm being watched. But also, you don't want to make the mistake of scanning something too many times. Great. So I've got all my products scanned in. Now I just need to handle my tools. Perfect. All that is left is to quickly pay so I can be on my way. Look at that. So simple, so easy, and I already got my receipt. How can you beat that? Now I know what you're thinking. Did you really show up to the job site and forget all of this product? Well, My lawyer informed me I don't have to answer that question. But E2UGO was the answer for me this morning, so thank you E2UGO for formulating my success. I can't wait to be back.